Got it? Fine. There are certain rules for using SI unit system. What are the rules? Simple. First, you must write all the symbols as prescribed in the tables of SI unit system. You must not make any change whatsoever. Okay? Identically same, you must write the symbols. Second, you are not supposed to put any symbol, any sign in between the letters of a symbol or at the end. Say for example, kilogram unit, symbol of kilogram must be written this way only, small k, small g. You must not write k full point, g full point, or you must not write this way kg full point. No full point, no comma, no symbol whatsoever. Okay? Except these symbols, you must not write any additional symbol. Correct? Fine. Then third, whether the measurement is singular or plural, unit symbol remains as it is. Length of a rod, if it is 1 meter, then also we write small m. If it is 5 meters, then also we write small m only. So measurement of a given physical quantity might be singular, might be plural, but every time the symbol of a unit must remain same. Okay? Fine. Then fourth rule is this. You should write the unit by a single ratio. For example, unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Meter per, you may write this way, no problem. Or you may take it up, then also no problem. Meter into second raised to minus 2. But the same unit, you should not write this way. You should not write meter upon second. You cannot write meter per second square this manner because this is not a single ratio. This is not a single ratio. It is a ratio of two ratios. Ratio of two ratios. No, you must not write this way. Okay? You must write this way or this way. Got it? Then, last. There are certain units which are given to have good memory of our past scientists. Then we have given the names of units of physical quantities on their names. For example, unit of force, it is Newton. Newton happened to be scientist. So when you refer Newton as a name of a person, you may write the spelling starting with capital N. But whenever you refer Newton as a unit of force, you must not write capital N, you must write small n in the beginning, and you should write Newton this way. Correct? And you want to write symbol, symbol you may write capital N, symbol you may write capital N. Correct? But if you want to write the unit completely with the word Newton, then you must write with small n. Okay? Right now this is not referred as a name of a person, this is right now unit. Remember, unit. For example, say ampere. Correct? Ampere also happened to be scientist. Then we should not write here capital A because we are not referring ampere right now as a person. We are referring ampere as a unit of electric current. Then we write here small a. Symbol is capital A. What is the unit of thermodynamic temperature? Kelvin. Say Kelvin also. Lord Kelvin also happened to be scientist. Correct? Then here we should not write capital K. We are referring right now as a unit. So we should write small k. And symbol is capital K. Simple. These are the 5 rules you must follow while using SI.